Yeah! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lingo Kids Crafts. Are you ready to learn how to draw something you use almost every day? You carry it on your back. You put school supplies and your lunchbox in it. It also comes in different shapes, sizes, and colors. Can you guess what it is? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a backpack. So, grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. Start by drawing a square with rounded corners. Make sure to curve the sidelines inwards. Great job, everyone! You just created the main shape of your backpack. Now, let's add the cover of our backpack. Right above the top line of your backpack, draw a long rectangle with rounded corners. The rectangle shape should be inside the big square, except for the top part of your rectangle. Then, on the bottom line of your cover, draw a smaller rectangle. You just drew in a flap. A flap allows you to close your backpack really well so that nothing falls out of it. Let's give a special touch to our backpack by drawing a star in the middle of the lid. If you prefer to add another design instead, go ahead. There is no limit to your imagination when it comes to drawing your backpack. Did you know that it is better to plan your day by packing your backpack the night before going to school? This way, you won't forget anything important. Now, let's create a front pocket. At the bottom of our main square, draw a rectangle with rounded edges. Make the bottom edges rounder and wider. Finally, inside that front pocket, add a long flat oval with rounded corners. And on its left-hand side, add the shape of a small bell. You just created your zipper. Now that we've drawn our special backpack, it's time to make it extra special. You can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. For our school bag, we'll be using yellow, orange, purple, and light blue. First, take your yellow crayon to color the main square. Be sure to color around the lid and the front pocket. Then, use the orange crayon to color the cover and the front pocket. Wow! Great job, everybody! Next, take your purple crayon and color inside your star and zipper. Your backpack is really coming to life. And finally, take your light blue crayon and color in your flap. Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingo Kids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingo Kids app.
That was fun!